Hello friends. So today's subject is to tell you about best financial stocks available in Indian stock market to buy and for the investment purpose. Okay, so I have researched a lot and gathered best financial stocks available you can purchase. Okay, so let's see what are these financial stocks for the recommendation purpose. Okay, but please research yourself before you invest. These are the just recommendation, and based on my research I have mentioned these best financial stocks. Okay, let's see. So the first stocks I have mentioned is LIC Housing Finance. So this is very good stock for long term investment. So this is currently this stock is trading at 280 to 81 level. Okay, so it has very good market capital, and also the company management structure is very good. So you can choose this stock for long term investment purpose. So if you can invest for 1 year to 2 year, you can get very good return from these stocks. Let's proceed further and see what is the next stock. Next stock is Indabul Housing Finance Limited. So this is very good stocks, and you can choose this stock for intraday trading purpose as well. But for new investors, please don't do intraday trading. For intraday trading, you need to have solid in stock market ideas and knowledge. So I'd recommend, I'd suggest that for new beginners who are looking for good financial stocks, you can select these stocks for long term investment purpose only. So if you can invest for long term, minimum 2 years, you will definitely will get 300 to 400% return of your amount you invest. So you can research yourself, and you can choose these stocks for investment purpose. Okay, so let's see the next stocks. It is Manappuram Finance Limited. It's a very good stocks. It has very good upside potential. So they are doing gold finance business. They also provide housing finance business nowadays. So it is very good stock. The market capital wise and the volume wise, this stock is really doing good. So Manappuram Finance is one of my favorite stock. Okay, so these are just recommendation purpose. I have giving you these names, but you do your research. Okay, you search for the company and see all the data before you take decision for investment purpose. But my suggestion will be, please invest for long term if you want to gain 300 to 400% return. So this is very good long term, solid technical data, solid management infrastructure they are having. Let's see the next stock. Is a Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company. Okay, the Cholamandalam is they are known for financial business. Okay, and they are very good into this financial chain market and businesses. So they have very good fund house and management structure. Okay, so this is very good stock now it is, I think, showing momentum, upside momentum, and it is now trading at 227.80 to 228 level. So this is a good time to purchase. So please check once Cholamandalam Investment, and it is very good stock for investment. Definitely will get very good return. Last one but not the least, this is one of my favorite stock again. This is Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance, it is well known gold finance company. Okay, so it is very good company, and market capital, you can see it is very large market capital they have. Company management structure also is very nice. So you can choose these stocks for long term investment. So Muthoot Finance is very attractive price. Now they are offering it to, you can get in market price 1196.50 or 1197 or 100 100 200 level. So if you can purchase these stocks and keep it for 1 or 2 years timeline, so definitely you will get very good return from Muthoot Finance. So Muthoot Finance, they have very good business all over India. So this is that's why I have chosen these stocks. But again, I for new beginners, please study a bit. Okay, research a bit before investment. But I have already researched, and that's why I have given these 5 best financial stocks for you for your convenient purpose. So you can choose these stocks, but please invest for long term. Okay, and please subscribe my channel. okay, and so that you can get more informative video in future. Please support my work. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's all for today.